Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're just getting started with Power BI or want to make your dashboards look more professional and eye-catching, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through some quick and easy ways to format the colors and fonts in your Power BI graphs and visuals. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to customize your visuals so they not only communicate your data more clearly, but also look polished and aligned with your style or your company branding. So let's dive right in. Go ahead and open up Power BI on your computer. If you're following along, make sure you have a report loaded up. Today, I'm using a simple sample line graph just to keep things straightforward, but you can use any visual you want. Now, let's say you want to tweak the font on your graph. Maybe the labels are a little too small or you just want a cleaner look. First, click once on your graph to make sure it's selected. You'll see those handy selection borders pop up around your visual so you know you're working on the right one. With the graph selected, look over to the right-hand side of your screen where you'll find the Visualizations pane. There's a little paint roller icon there which opens up the Format Your Visuals section. Here's a little tip that can save you a ton of time, instead of scrolling through all the formatting options, because honestly there can be a lot. Just type the word font directly into the search box at the top of the Format panel. The search feature is so helpful, especially if you're new to Power BI or can't quite remember where a particular setting lives. Once you type font, it'll instantly filter all the options to show you only those related to fonts, so things like title text, data labels, axis values, and so on. From here, you can easily adjust the font family, make your text bold or italic, bump up the font size for better readability, or change the font color if you want it to stand out a bit more. For example, you might want a bigger, bolder font for your main title to catch people's attention, but a more subdued style for the axis labels to keep things tidy. Take a few moments to experiment. Don't worry if it looks odd at first. You can always tweak it until it fits just right. Next up, let's talk about colors. Maybe you want your graph to match a company color scheme, or you just want something a bit more vibrant so key points jump out to your viewers. The process here is super similar. Again, make sure your visual is selected and head back to that trusty search box in the formatting panel. This time type in color. Power BI will automatically show you every color-related setting for your visual, things like line color, marker color, background color, and more. Changing colors is as simple as clicking the colored square, picking from the palette, or entering a specific color code if you want a perfect match. For example, if you're working with a sales report, maybe you'll choose green for growth or red for declines. You get the idea. Just remember, while it's fun to play with lots of colors, try to stick with a palette that keeps your report easy on the eyes and easy to read. And honestly, that's it. Formatting fonts and colors in Power BI is that simple once you know where to look and how to use the search feature in the formatting panel. Don't be afraid to experiment. Getting comfortable with these basic formatting tools can really help you set your reports apart and tell a clearer story with your data. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical Power BI tips. Got a question, or is there something else you want to learn about Power BI? Drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you guys, and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.